VIRCA Plus Project is a project that is developing cassava that is resistant to diseases and also that is nutritionally enhanced. Cassava is an important food crop to about 600 million people. In Africa, we produce over 50% of the cassava that is produced in the world. About 20% is produced in Americas and about 30% in the Asia.
The VIRCA project was launched in 2008 and there have been various achievements. The first CFT was established at Alupe. Thereafter, there has been another establishment of CFTs in Mtwapa, Mombasa, and in Kandara, Thika. Now, the trial in Alupe and in Mtwapa are basically for evaluation of the cassava test materials. And the trial in Thika, Kandara is for regulatory trials where there's agronomic data collected and also data for compositional analysis. And this is because Kandara Thika has low disease presence.
Why the project is necessary is because of mainly diseases, and especially in the region where we have two main diseases that affect cassava. One is cassava mosaic disease and the other one is cassava brown streak disease. Cassava mosaic disease has somehow been managed using the conventional ways that are available, but cassava brown streak disease still remains a challenge. In the region, we are losing about 7.5 billion Kenya shillings because of cassava brown streak disease. In Kenya, we produce on average about 1 million metric tons of cassava. Majority of this, 60% is produced in Western Kenya, about 30% is produced in the coast region, and the 10% is produced in the rest of the parts of the country. The importance of this project, therefore, is to come and try and solve this problem and deliver to farmers varieties that are resistant to this disease.
We now have a product, a cassava that is resistant to cassava brown streak, and we want to have the farmers have access to this product. That means we have now approached the National Biosafety Authority for an application for environmental release and placing on the market.
This is a big achievement because there is no other method of control of cassava brown streak disease. So as a project, through the years, we came up with a modern biotechnology way of solving the problem. We have come up with a cassava that is now resistant to the disease. And one of the other big achievements is that we've already been able to assess for its safety, and we have requested the regulatory authority that is concerned with the safety of the crop to check for approval and confirm that the cassava is now ready for cultivation by farmers.
This is a very important achievement in that the farmers will be able to access cassava that is resistant cassava brown streak, which is one of the biggest constraints in cassava production. That means there'll be increase in production. And of course, when there's increase in production, it leads to economic benefits and improved livelihood of the farmer. Not only that, we have various industries that do rely on cassava for various products. These too will also benefit from the increased production.